Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to review electric chain saw adapter. It's 11.5 inches and we're going to connect to this grinder. Okay, start 580 watts. Okay, let's open it, guys. Let's open it. See what's inside. Okay, and I'm going to assemble it using this installation specification. And here are the components. We're going to open up this one. Let's see if we can. Let's replace this one. This one, guys. Let's follow the diagram. Okay, let's place it here. Okay, and after that, here, guys, I'm going to preload it. Okay, that's it. And we'll be needing Allen key. And they provide Allen key. I have mine, so I'm going to tighten it using this one to make it faster. Okay. So to make it faster, just tighten it using this thumb and make it straight. Make it straight, guys. Okay. See. Okay, and I'll load this one. Okay, and take note, it has a guide here, guys, so just follow it, install like that. Okay, so we're going to use this one, install it like this, not like that. Okay, this one, flat here, flatten here. Okay, so to tighten this one, just press this one, press this down, and tighten. Okay. Okay. Install here. Like that. And into the adjusting positive screw. Clockwise, guys. Yes. As easy as that. Okay. Okay guys, just check that the sharpen edge teeth will rotate like that one. Okay. It will rotate like that one. Okay. So this one already tightened. So intensively here. Okay, and this is the cover. Okay, just in the holder, and let's down this bubble with screw. Okay, and let's tighten it, guys. Going to connect here. Okay, like that. And perhaps we're going to put tooth here to the oil. Rock and roll. Now let's test its durability, guys, if it can cut woods. And let's watch. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. The judgment is yours. Thank you for watching. Until then, God bless.